All right, guys. Well, went to a job and replaced the fan motor. You're using the fan motor without the capacitor. It's the Evergreen fan motor. Nothing spectacular about finding a fan motor that failed on you, but just wanted to show you this Evergreen fan motor without a capacitor. So stick with me and I'll show you what it's about. So go like this. Oh, damn. Well, that sucks. All right, so there. And then like that. Okay, so now, so put this back in. Feed the water. Feed the wires right through here. All right, so let's see. Oh, look at that. It fell. I don't know. Been one of them days. Okay. You know I had it. Gonna blame a damn kid. All right. So put that in there. Put that back in here. There we go. Come on. I need to slide back a little bit more.
Hey, how's it looking?
All right, come on. Getting ready to put it in. All right.
It works.
Yep.
Very hot.
Oh yeah, I know. And it ain't gonna get no better either. Uh-oh, a tool. Let's see what we got here. Oh, so fan. Take the fan one off.
Okay. So I have some meeting. So
Sure, okay, no problem. I'll be done in about 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
All right, so you got one orange one here, which is coming off the cap. That's your common. That's not going to be no good anymore. We're not using that one. All right, all those are gone. And this one right here, this is where your white one's going to go. Your white one is going to the board. That's your power. Okay, so your white one, so here's your white one, goes right here, right there on fan. All right, this one right here will go on the common side of your capacitor. You could do that, or you could put it on the common side of your contactor. So, all right, now we're gonna see. I want to say that this is a counterclockwise motor. Ream is. So we're gonna see what happens here. All right. Let's say. All right. Okay. So no contactor is needed on it. Let's see which way it goes. Alright. So we didn't have to change nothing. We don't have to change no speed. We ain't going to change nothing in this unit. As comes and goes counterclockwise. And if you needed to change the counterclockwise, all you do is you take this one off right here, and over the purple will reverse it. This right here is on for 1100 RPMs. If you need to drop it down to, it comes for a 1075 RPM. So if you remove it, it'll turn it into an 825 RPM. I'm moving too fast. So the coils look like it kind of corroded down there, and I'm afraid actually to hose that off, but let's see what we got here. Let's put this back on. Protect it from the ants. Which if the ants want it, they're going to get to it anyways. Okay, so here we go. That. All right. Make it look a little neater here. Put these right back on here. It's almost a 25-year-old system, so they're getting the money worth out of it, that's for sure. Okay, so this one right here, we're gonna put, give me a screw for that, and then I'm gonna screw that in there. I thought I had one right here. I'll go. I thought I wouldn't. Matter of fact, I think I'm gonna go right here with this. Okay. So personally, I think the unit is ground. Oh, look at that! It's arcing right now. So this whole unit ain't got a ground to it, dude. I thought I felt a little tingling on it. Why has this not got a ground? Or what? This thing has got a ground. This thing don't have some sort of ground because it's arcing on this bitch. Sorry for the cursing, but Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright, we're done. We're done. I guess my video got corrupted on the last part of it, you know, and there was a section of it and beforehand that I wasn't going to record anyways because all it was just the finding of a bad fan motor. I just wanted to really get it out there as far as how about this motor was, you know, the 363S, I believe it is, by Evergreen. And, you know, it helps with space on your van, because you don't have to worry about having the 1075 and the 825. This does both of them. You ain't got to worry about the counterclockwise, clockwise, which I understand that there are motors out there that do that for counterclockwise and clockwise. But you know, but my thing is that these motors are just, they're quiet, easy to install. Like I said, you don't have to 1075, 825, no capacitor, counterclockwise, clockwise. What more can you ask for? The cost is basically the same, pretty much, well, close to the same. The 825s are really more money than what the 1075s are. So, you know, it's something, you know, that I thought I'd just throw out there. Just dropping a line, you know, comment, do you use them? You know, what do you think? You know, and just let me know what your overall thinking is. I was just trying to bring this out to people that don't know about it. So y'all have a good one. We'll see you later.